Oh no.
No, what's worse? I spent like 2 months in Mexico this summer.
I've never been. I'll excuse myself with that. I've never been to Mexico.
What's up, guys? We are back for another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shatty. And today we are on the campus of UCLA. Día de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead, is right around the corner. We know these students are educated, but how much do they know about Day of the Dead? Let's find out. What are you guys' names and where are you from?
My name is Nadia, and I'm from Denmark.
My name is Gustavo from South Sacramento.
Gustavo. It's a dope name, man, I gotta say.
My name is George Salon, and I'm from Garden Grove, California.
My name is Olivia, and I'm from Sweden.
Okay, Gustavo. These questions are themed around Día de los Muertos, Day of the Dead. When is Día de los Muertos celebrated? A, October 30th, B, October 31st, or C, November 1st?
C, November 1st.
Maybe November 1st. I'll guess, but what do you think?
I'm down with it. November 1st, sure.
I actually thought it was earlier this year.
C.
C is correct. November 1st is correct. Guess what? You are correct. November 1st is correct. Día de los Muertos is generally celebrated on November 1st and 2nd. It's a holiday celebrating the dead, combining an ancient Aztec holiday with the Catholic holiday, All Souls Day, brought by the Spanish invaders. Confident?
Well, we have momentum, so it's going to the second one. Feel good.
Number 2. What flower is typically used to decorate the graves of loved ones on Día de los Muertos? A, roses, B, marigolds, or C, sunflowers?
Roses?
I know in Brazil they use sunflowers for,
I was gonna say sunflowers. I wasn't. Yeah.
let's do, sunflowers.
Yeah, I feel like
I've seen like the masks and stuff being decorated with sunflowers too.
B, marigolds.
2 for 2, Gustavo. I like the reasoning. It is actually B, marigolds.
I was like, I don't know about that.
Marigolds are a favorite for Día de los Muertos because it's believed their bright color and strong fragrance help guide the dead back to the altars their families have made for them. That's 2 for 2.
All right.
This is for all the marbles. Our final question is a health question sponsored by Dherbs. Sugar skulls and sugary treats are an important part of Día de los Muertos. Sugar also causes which widespread health problem in Latin America? A, diabetes, B, cancer, or C, strokes?
I think Mexico might be the #1 country in the world for or obesity, I think, but diabetes is related to obesity.
There you go. Okay, go ahead.
I'd say A, diabetes.
Yes, A, diabetes. A.
3 for 3. You got it correct. Gustavo, you got the money. My guy, you won. Diabetes is an increasing problem across Latin America after decades of changing diet patterns. In Mexico alone, 14.4% of adults have type 2 diabetes. This is especially an issue because it can be hard for many people to get access to insulin and the medical devices they need to use it effectively.
What's worse? I spent like 2 months in Mexico this summer.
I've never been. I'll excuse myself with that. I've never been to Mexico.
$60 for you, Gustavo. Appreciate you, man.
My name's Gustavo, and I just completed the Street Smart Challenge with Dherbs.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.